So this is the final update video before I go to China. Been waiting to do this for a wee while. When you see this video, this is going to be sort of around about May 6th-ish, roughly about then. Not too much more to say about where I'm going, what I'm doing, other than basically just a couple of last minute updates. So I bought a new selfie stick. So if you saw the video I did on the Polarpro trippler, you know that I'm really not happy with that selfie stick. But I bought a new one. This one's pretty cool. It's a bit long. It makes the camera look a bit like a mace or an axe. And this thing, it does extend like way out, like that. But when you hold it, it's like a baton, like a mace, really. Why did I buy it? Well, the gimbal, while good, it's a bit bulky and unwieldy and heavy, especially to carry around in China. So I figured, I'm gonna get myself this new selfie stick. So far, seems to be working out pretty good. Also got this thing, the little Manfrotto tripod, the little white one. That's working out pretty good too. So if you've seen my videos before, you'll know that when I head out and I do travel stuff, I come back and I don't edit it and release it when I'm actually out there, because you know I want to spend my time actually enjoying stuff. I'll come back, edit it, put out one video every 2 to 3 days, and this time is going to be no different. So what does that mean? That means basically there's going to be no videos for this May, nothing more. You may see something at the end of May or June, but basically videos will continue in June. Probably also when I come back, I'll do a live stream, and you know, I'll be able to show you some of the raw videos and stuff, some of the cool stuff, you know, on the live stream, right? So that's what I'm planning to do. Live stream at the end of May, probably, and then videos in June. And because of the fact that I'm away for 2 weeks and 2 days, Brisbane, Shenzhen, Huizhou, Xinjiang, and then coming back, I'm going to have probably 20 to 30 videos worth of material to edit. So the entire winter for New Zealand is going to be China videos. So I'll see you guys in end of May, beginning of June. See you later.